We introduce 5 representative membrane builder models, each serving a distinct purpose. Double bilayers model fusion pathways, focusing on the rate and barrier from stalk to pore formation. Vesicles are used in LNP delivery, supporting encapsulation, stability, and release. Micelles represent detergent assemblies, characterized by critical micelle concentration and aggregation number. Hexagonal phase structures capture curvature stress and non-lamellar stability. Nanodiscs provide a native lipid patch, maintained by scaffold proteins for order and affinity. In this demo, we will introduce Nanodisc in detail. In the left sidebar, go to MolCube Builder and select Membrane Builder. In this demo, we start with the 3-PQR protein already loaded via PDB reader, activated rhodopsin, meta-2, bound to a G-alpha C-terminal peptide, a classic GPCR reference structure. First, type your project title, 3-PQR. Under membrane type, select Nanodisc, since we're embedding a membrane protein into a lipid disc with a scaffold, and set box shape to cubic. Select CHARM-FF. Ensure it matches exactly the force field you specified in PDB Reader. In Search for Project, type 3PQR, pick the PDB Reader entry and click Submit. Step 2 is alignment. Choose As Is, Principal Axis, or PPM, to orient the transmembrane bundle normal to the disc plane. We recommend PPM. After choosing the options, click Submit. Step 3. Define the disc. In MSP type and disc diameter, keep the default MSP1. For lipids, select cholesterol and, under PC phosphatidylcholine lipids, choose POPC. Set the lipid ratio to cholesterol, POPC equals 1:3, then apply. After reviewing the options, click Submit. Step 5. Configures your environment. Choose whether to neutralize only or add a specific ion concentration. Set your temperature, Kelvin. Optionally enable hydrogen mass repartitioning for a 4 femtosecond time step, and select your MD engine such as GROMAX. After reviewing the options, click Submit. Step 6 provides a full review. Inspect the 3D visualization and system info. If everything looks correct, download the files or the full bundle, then run locally or in MolCube Simulator for one-click EM to EQ to PR to analysis. That completes the workflow to embed 3PQR in a nanodisc using Membrane Builder. Enjoy your simulations.